everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So Tesla finally breaking down, could not hold the daily rotation zone. See, breaking out of this huge consolidation. We finally had the separation in the 4-hour rotation zone, breaking below all the key support here. Let's just scrolling over a bit more, coming down to this prior 37.5% retracement level, bouncing up there. Pay attention to what happens as this moving average comes down to see if we get 8 pushed into price, and then we'll find the levels on the daily chart. What I can do actually right now, remember we can always get some of these minor levels going off the most recent high to this pausing bar low, which gives us an idea of what to look for. So we're going to do the 112 and 125. So if we break below 86.82, we'd be watching for 85.70 and 84.58 are the next levels down. Right now, if this drifts sideways, just pay attention as the 8 comes up. If we do retrace more, then we can go back to this prior little spike low first area with the rotation zone. That's the only reason I'm watching that spike low. Right around, I'd say really watch around the 89.80 to 9,000 level, just because of that round number. And then if we rallied through there, I'd be watching the prior 50% gain level 91.46 with the top of the 4-hour rotation zone. Take a look at the daily chart. So now we're coming into this prior little, this area that was resistance, now becoming potential support. So the first level, that 85.70 and 84.58 dips right into that area. If we did break below there, then 82.41 would be the next key level down. You see increased volume on the sell-off, and we are below the daily rotation zone. So really watch where this closes. Now, we're not closed yet. So if this did rally back up and rallied above about 89.80, we'd be closing back in the rotation zone, and the rotation zone would still be intact. As long as it closes below there, we are outside the rotation zone, and the rotation zone has been violated, so keep watching for lower prices. Looking over to Ethereum. Let's just drop to 4-hour real quick and see if it shows us anything. So now we got the first cross the rotation zone, came down below it, got the first cross, tested it, came down to 200, just below our 81.87 level. Now, this is still a very weak rotation zone, and this is prior support becoming resistance. If we break above 186.25, then we'll be watching for minor resistance 187.41. Then the next major resistance area we'll be watching just off of price action is about 190.50. Rotation back down if we get below this 180.60 area, which is this prior little support shelf over here, and these 2 spike lows and the 200 period simple moving average on the 4-hour chart. Then we'd be watching for about 177.75. And then let's zoom out to the daily chart. So what are we looking for? If we go below that, then we're 170. So between about 176.30 and 177.75, we have a fair amount of support. We have these 2 spike lows, and this, it's not on the daily chart, but we had a prior swing low from a 4-hour chart right there. And we have this little support ledge over here, this prior resistance becoming support ledge. So that's a very key area to watch for support. If we did break below that, we'd be watching 170.80 and then 165.26. As we get out of this congestion, though, you can start doing the GAN projections lower. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.